In this video, we will cover how to start a virtual visit using DoxyMe. Before you begin, ensure you have invited patients to join your virtual waiting room using your unique web link found in your DoxyMe dashboard. More details on how to invite patients to a virtual visit can be found in the video titled Inviting Patients to a Virtual Visit. When a patient clicks this link to join your virtual waiting room, they will appear in the patient queue in the top left-hand corner of your DoxyMe dashboard. To start a virtual visit with a patient, simply find the patient in the patient queue, hover over their name with your mouse, and click the Start Call button. This will now take us into the video chat. After a few moments, you will be connected with your patient via video. Hi, Nicholas. During the visit, you can manage your video call a number of ways using the buttons at the bottom of the screen. Here you can turn on or off your video or microphone. If you need to troubleshoot your video or microphone, settings can be found under the gear button. The red phone button will end your call, but if you wish to put the patient back into the patient queue temporarily, you can press the pause button. Nicholas, I'm just going to put you in the waiting room for a few moments and I will be right back. Now that I've pressed the pause button, I've been taken back to my DoxyMe dashboard, but I can still see Nicholas here in the patient queue. I can restart that call with the patient anytime by pressing the Start Call button again. For more virtual care resources or to request one-on-one consultation, please contact the Doctors Technology Office by email at dtoinfo@doctorsofbc.ca. Please let us know if you find these videos helpful or how the DTO can serve you better by clicking the link below and responding to our short survey.